Hey guys, Pemmitt here. All the craze now seems to be about this fidget spinner. Hearing all about it. So I thought I'd go to the store and purchase one and give it a shot. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so we got our fidget spinner here. Work class home, made in China. Oh! Try it on the ground. So is that like a brake too when I hit that? Oh no, it accelerates it. Alright, so I'm going to try a little trick with it, maybe like a handstand type thing. Ah! Good stuff. It was an interesting experience. I guess I could see why it's all the craze. It feels pretty cool actually when it's spinning in your hand or spinning on the ground, or to do tricks with it like I was doing there with the handstand. But I don't know if I'll get any other use for this. If you guys like and share the post, I'm willing to give it away. Again, I'm so glad I said yes to this. So guys, say yes to something new.